Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to put money on Greenlight card. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So this is official website of Green Card. If you want to access it, click on get started. You have to enter your phone number and make an account over it. So it's very easy thing to do, and here I have made by step guide how you can do it. So there are certain ways to do it. The first one is direct deposit. So if your employer offer direct deposit, you can set up your Green Card to receive your paycheck directly, just like how you do it with your bank account. So contact your employer payroll department to arrange this. The second way is, which is very easy, that is bank transfer. You can transfer money from your linked bank account to your Greenlight card. To do this, you have to log in into your Greenlight card. As I told you, you have to make an account to log in into this. And once you have done this, navigate to the add money or transfer funds, which is always available on the top right side corner, and then you can transfer it. The third is cash reload. Some retailers may allow you to add cash to your Greenlight card at the location. Look for participating retailers such as Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, or 7-Eleven. Mobile check deposit, which is the fourth option. If you receive a paper check, you can use the Greenlight app mobile check deposit feature to add fund to your card, right? And the fifth one is parental funding. If your parents can give you money, then of course you can add it to your Greenlight child Greenlight account. You can transfer money from your link bank account to your child card through the Greenlight app or website, right? So these are the ways. You can also read it and you can just get a way how you can add it money on your Greenlight guide. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe.